Sorry?
Oh, hunting towns.
Oh, right. Vinny.
You and Vinny are from around here, originally.
Yes, as a matter of fact, we are just 3 miles away, Cucamonga. Yeah, pretty boring. Home of grapes.
Continuity.
Sorry?
Continuity. I miss that. Everything seems so busted up to me. Like I've lived a dozen different lives. But long-lasting friendship, that must be a very nice thing to have.
Well, yes and no.
Long-lasting friendship, eh, Rex?
Vinny, keen that I discuss some things with you now. He told me that you had been, you become that you filed certain charges against him.
Charges?
Criminal charges.
You mean gone to the police?
That's what he told me. He said you had him arrested.
1641
Why would I do something like that? We're having an affair, for Christ's sake. We still are, as far as I'm concerned, unless he's changed his mind. Is that what this is all about? Hey, listen, if it's over, it's over. He doesn't have to send a middleman. You can tell him that.
No, it's not
Listen,
over.
why don't you just get the hell out of here, mister, okay? And tell your old pal he can take a hike for me. Just get out of here. Go on.
Just wait a second. Vinny is still crazy about you. He talks about you like you were sent from heaven or something.
Heaven?
Yeah, he said that you were the answer to a little prayer of his.
What prayer? Get out of here. This is too weird.
Well, he said, you didn't have him arrested?
No.
He said you had him arrested.
Gang 11 took 7. Gang 11 took 6.
No business being in
Gang 70.
occupation.
What occupation?
A private investigator.
No, look, he's not a private investigator. He's not a detective, nothing like that. That's a routine.
Showed me his badge and his gun. He even took me on surveillance.
Try 240, your crash number is 8556, 8556.
He pokes his nose into their private life, but nobody actually employed him.
He gave me pictures from a case he worked on years ago.
There are no cases.
A horse racing scam or something. He didn't make it up. I can tell him.
Talk to you about that?
He talks to me about everything.
Gave you pictures?
Paul William, 8313, Corpus. 2729 by Texas ID. Stand by.
Say, Vinny! Vinny! Shit! What exactly did he tell you?
Is he out there?
What pictures did he give you?
Listen, he wanted to impress me and I let him, okay?
What?
They were very, very filthy pictures. That's all I can say.
Was there a woman involved?
A woman?
Those photographs.
Currently at 50-1. A last check of the odds finds Gemini holding on as the 6-5 favorite of the fans, and they gather up to watch the start of this one. Good crowd on hand today. A Retribution also solidly supported at the windows, as well as headed home. They're all in line, just about set for the break. They're off. For the lead, and it's Gemini flashing his brilliant early speed and takes the early advantage from Retribution. Now those two hook up as they head on to the turn. Gemini and Retribution, they're stride on stride. Going to the half through the back start over, then got play in third. With 80 shot now racing fourth. 5 lengths away from the lead, headed home is next to him. Evans in racing in second. Gemini continues strong. He's got 6 seconds lead down. Retribution's dropped back in second. 80 shot just fell back in the win in third. Startovers 4 lengths away fourth. Evans in and headed home. And at 5/16 of a mile out from home, it is Gemini just holding on. Danish shot of Retribution. Evans is coming out. He's the rail runner. True on the inside. Gemini is desperate to hold the advantage. From Danish shot and Evans onto the backstretch they go. And Gemini's carving out a fast pace as expected with the quarter here coming up quickly. Retribution still is persistent challenger. And starting that one from way back to the cloud. Here's Evans. All of a sudden, Evans makes a huge move. And the turns for Hall. set has come up true, and as they race on down to the last finish, it looks Captain Set is not joking.
Good morning. Thank you for calling Carter Kentucky Limited. How can I help you?
I have a person-to-person collect call to a Mr. Carter from a Mr. Vincent T. Webb. Do you wish to accept the charges?
I'll check it for you. Please hold. Good morning.
Alright, so code 15, I could be spotted at the calling.
Benny, hey, how you doing? It's been a long time.
Good morning, Carter, yeah, I've got a major crisis going on here.
What is it?
I've been arrested.
Would you gentlemen excuse me a moment?
I don't know what that means.
Mr. Carter, what did you say? I've been arrested. Press charges. I gotta ask questions. Yeah, I'm real scared, Carter.
Well, phone 110.
You didn't assault anyone, did you, Vinny?
No, he's harassment.
Who did you harass?
No one!
All right, who charged you with harassment?
What was it?
Christ's sake.
Now, she's gonna press charges. You gotta stop her. You gotta get out here, Carter.
Out there? I can't, are you crazy? I've got a major sale happening here.
I'm gonna ask questions. You're gonna make me talk.
You're not gonna talk. Now calm down. Let me call some people. I'll put you in touch with somebody who's gonna straighten all this out.
No, there's no time for that, Carter. No time.
Vinny?
Get out here now.
Vinny?
This is an emergency.
Anyway, Vinny!
After the war, she gave birth to Vladimir Putin. Putin sees himself as literally pulling the body of Russia out of the pile, the dustbin of history. You know, we are going to revive you. You are not dead, and I will take care of you. I mean, that is the mindset.
I think his ambitions always were to be the president and then gather all the instruments of power into the presidency.
His devotion to reasserting Russia's greatness is certainly in his self-interest because he wants to be the czar. He wants to be the richest man in the world, and he wants to settle scores.
He made his way up through the KGB. His role in the KGB was to support Russian intelligence officers living under assumed identities under deep cover inside the United States and developing active measures to impact the policies of the United States. The KGB was power. If you said that you removed the KGB, doors would open, people would stand aside.
In 1991, when the Soviet Union collapsed, every republic that emerged from the Korean Soviet Union agreed at the time to recognize the republics in their then existing borders.
Putin, like many Russians, feels that the dissolution, the dissolving of the Soviet Union is a terrific thing because it made the Russian people and Russia itself smaller. And the Americans are celebrating all of this. I think he's dedicated to building it back up. The first time I met him in the spring of 1991, he was the deputy mayor of St. Petersburg, working for the mayor. His name was Anatoly Sobchak. Sobchak was this charismatic, Western-leaning guy, allied with Boris Yeltsin. His deputy was the exact opposite of that. Nondescript, gray bureaucrat, very soft-spoken. Had you asked me back then to name 1,000 people that might be the next president of Russia, he would not have made my list.
He supported Mayor Sobchak, but he was also organizing this incredible network of former KGB, foreign economic interests, and local interests.
In the 1990s, St. Petersburg was known for organized crime and corruption.
State institutions as much as they could, as fast as they could.
Google was a pretty good fisherman. He could make stuff happen.
Okay, I got one in the box.
Judge Putin was able, as deputy mayor, to be the focal point of all of these different networks as they came together.
He was made FSB director. The FSB is responsible for control spying. These are the guys who have the most funding, the most resources.
He learned, which served him in good stead, how to maneuver politically.
That became his primary goal of power. The FSB was simply a ladder. Almost immediately after the breakup of the Soviet Union, these oligarchs were able to take over state-owned enterprises at bargain basement prices, turn some of these individuals into multimillionaires or even billionaires almost overnight. Under Yeltsin, the oligarchs became very powerful and very independent, and the power of the state was crumbling. At the end of the Yeltsin years, he attained almost sort of a buffoonish type of personality, and then, drunk, a little bit out of control. Yeltsin was nervous, and he chose to go with a guy that he thought would protect his family and their assets. That's, I think, the sole purpose why Putin was selected to then run for president. Followed by the bombings of the apartment houses. There were a series of terrorist attacks in 1999. They found evidence of the FSB having been there and set that all up. I know what has been alleged. I find the evidence compelling. And I know those terrorist attacks helped Vladimir Putin win the election. I'm not ready to believe yet, and maybe that's just my idealism getting in the way of my analytical side, that the Russian government would kill its own civilians to elect Putin president. The apartment bombings were KGB operations using a type of explosive that was only made in a KGB facility. They was very clever, and the Russian people began to look for a leader. It's not the first time in history. You could compare it to some degree to the 1930s and the rise of Adolf Hitler.